Alrighty, just a really quick video to show what's going on with the Charlek. There's a 500 watt light down there. And no, that's not the original engine. I took it off and put this big one on. Little ones down here. This has enough grunt to run my fuel processor. Okay, it's not plugged in right now, but it's got enough grunt to run this or this. I don't think it could run them both at once, but it certainly runs one or the other very nicely. I had to take the little engine off because it turns out to be just too small. Judging by the noise this is making, I need to adjust the mixture again. Yeah, that's a bit better. That's been going for about an hour, running the fuel processor. So, yeah, it seems to work. Alrighty. Just a very random little video done at the spur of the moment. Ciao for now.